Hi everyone and welcome to explorerhop. In this video we're going to be answering this word problem. How far will Bob have to travel down the ramp? So looking at this diagram, Bob is situated at the top of the ramp. And we also know that the ramp is 4 feet tall and 9 feet long. So what we're trying to find is the length of this ramp to see how far Bob will have to travel. So in order to find this, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. To recall, the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. In this case, our a is this length and our b is this length. C is the unknown length that we are trying to find. So let's plug the values in. 9 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. 9 squared equals 81, and 4 squared equals 16. If we add them together, 81 plus 16 equals 97. Now that's not our final answer yet because we still have to find the square root of 97 to find the distance that Bob has to travel. The square root of 97 equals around 9.85 centimeters. Oh, sorry. The unit for this question will be feet. Pay attention to that. Make sure you guys don't make the same mistake as me. And voila, that's your answer. Because it's a word problem, we have to include a therefore statement. So, therefore, Bob will have to travel around 9.85 feet. There you have it. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next lesson.